Thermite robotic firefighters are advanced firefighting robots that are designed to provide fire suppression, situational awareness, and intelligence gathering in dangerous and hazardous environments. They are equipped with advanced mobility and agility capabilities, as well as the ability to output high-pressure water streams to extinguish fires. They can be remotely operated by users through a belly pack controller, which provides a real-time video feed and allows the robots to traverse difficult terrain and push obstacles out of their way. Thermites come in two models. The RS1 has a water flow rate of 1,250 gallons per minute, weighs 1,600 pounds, and has a top speed of 6 miles per hour. The larger RS3 has a flow rate of 2,500 gallons per minute, weighs around 3,500 pounds and has a top speed of 8 miles per hour. Each have different types of engines, with the RS1 featuring a 24 horsepower Kohler and the RS3 featuring a larger 36 horsepower HP Yanmar. C-THRU is a smart helmet device developed by Quake Technologies that helps firefighters see through smoke using augmented reality. The device fits over one eye within a firefighter's breathing apparatus and presents a video stream taken from an onboard thermal camera to the user. Using artificial intelligence image recognition, the device outlines objects and people in green, allowing firefighters to see what is in front of them even in smoky conditions. C-THRU also allows firefighters to communicate with each other using data transmission, which is more advanced than traditional push-to-talk radio communication. C-THRU has been labeled as a game changer, allowing firefighters to find people who are trapped in fires twice as fast. The augmented reality navigator can also provide directional cues to its users to help retrace their steps back the way that they came into a space. It also has a Mayday function that requests immediate assistance for firefighters who can become lost. The Elide Fireball is a compact, lightweight, and portable fire suppression device that can be easily carried and deployed in the event of a fire. It is designed to be used in a variety of settings, including homes, garages, and office buildings, as well as on vehicles and boats. It can be used on most types of fires, including those involving flammable liquids, gases, and electrical equipment. When activated, the Fireball releases a cloud of a proprietary fire extinguishing agent that is designed to rapidly suppress fires by cutting off the oxygen supply to the fire. The fire extinguishing agent used in the Fireball is safe for people and the environment, and is non-toxic and non-conductive. The Fireball is designed to be easy to use and requires no maintenance. It has a long shelf life and is ready for use at any time. Typical mounting destinations can include electrical panels, fuse boxes, and engine compartments. The Ehang 216F is a professional firefighting drone developed by Chinese company Ehang. It is equipped with a pressurized 100-liter tank that is designed for both water and foam extinguishing agents. The drone is equipped with a visible light 10x zoom camera that helps firefighters quickly locate fires remotely and provide them with critical information necessary to formulate a rescue plan. The camera also allows the drone to accurately target the fire and apply the appropriate amount of water or foam to extinguish it. The drone is also equipped with GPS navigation and obstacle avoidance sensors, which allow it to fly safely and accurately to the location of the fire. The 216F is designed to be easy to operate and can be controlled remotely by a single operator. It has a design flight time of 21 minutes, can carry up to 6 fire projectiles, has a maximum cruising speed of 130 km per hour, and only takes about 2 hours to fully charge. The EmiControls firefighting robot can be best described as a firefighting turbine mounted to a Caterpillar tracked vehicle. The firefighting robot is equipped with an external nozzle ring that atomizes water into a fine mist and uses a propeller to distribute it, cooling the fire and reducing its temperature quickly. It can be controlled remotely from up to 300 meters away, allowing firefighters to stay out of immediate danger and safely fight fires in hazardous environments such as tunnels. The water flow cannon can be adjusted for mist or high water flow modes. In mist mode, the firefighting robot can project up to 1,500 liters of water per minute, and up to 4,700 liters per minute in high water flow mode. It has a 360-degree angle of rotation, and a throwing distance of up to 80 meters. The EmiControls firefighting robot also has a number of available options, including a railway kit, additional camera mounting, cable winch, and forklift kit, just to name a few. The Bulldog Extreme 4x4 is a heavy-duty firefighting vehicle designed for use in rugged and challenging environments. It is equipped with a range of features and technologies that allow it to effectively fight fires in a variety of tough terrains and outdoor situations. Weighing in at 26,000 pounds, the Bulldog utilizes 54-inch military-grade tires and has 25 inches of ground clearance. It is also equipped with a powerful 9-liter turbodiesel engine and a durable chassis, which give it the strength and stamina needed to perform demanding firefighting tasks. The Bulldog Extreme can carry up to 2,000 gallons of water and foam. It also comes equipped with a 30,000-pound winch, which can be utilized to dig itself or others out of sticky situations. In addition to its high-capacity water tank, it is also equipped with a range of nozzles and hoses that allow it to apply water or foam in a variety of ways, depending on the needs of the situation. Taking to the skies, the CL-415 Super Scooper is a type of amphibious aircraft that is specifically designed for water bombing operations to extinguish forest fires. The first CL-415 was developed in 1993 and delivered the following year, in 1994. It is a turboprop aircraft that was developed by a Canadian aerospace manufacturer. The CL-415 has a unique capability to scoop up water from a lake or river, carry it to a fire, and drop it on the blaze. It can do this very quickly and efficiently, making it a valuable tool in the fight against forest fires. The water bombing system is managed and controlled by the pilots through a panel. It allows them to choose from different patterns and sequences for water dispersal. The aircraft has a capacity to hold up to 1,620 gallons of water, which it can refill in just 12 seconds. It can drop its payload of water in a single pass, or it can make multiple passes to cover a larger area. The CL-415 has a range of about 1,500 miles and a top speed of around 220 miles per hour. The Pyrolance is a specialized firefighting tool that uses high-pressure water to cut through materials such as metal, concrete, and wood, while also extinguishing fires. It is often used in situations where traditional firefighting methods are not effective, such as fires in buildings with collapsed roofs or walls. The Pyrolance system consists of a high-pressure pump, a hose, and a handheld lance with a cutting nozzle. The pump generates water pressure of between 1,000 and 1,400 psi, which is directed through the hose and out of the nozzle. The high-velocity water stream is able to cut through solid materials, then deliver microdroplets of water that can cool and extinguish fires, and create a safe path for firefighters to access the fire. The Pyrolance is also able to operate in confined spaces and is relatively lightweight, making it a versatile tool for firefighters. The Bridgehill Fire Blanket is a specialized fire safety product that is designed to be used in emergency situations to extinguish small to medium fires or to protect people from flames. It is a lightweight, portable blanket that is easy to use and can be stored in a variety of locations, including homes, offices, and vehicles. The Bridgehill Fire Blanket is made of fire-resistant material that is designed to extinguish flames by cutting off the oxygen supply. It can be used to cover a person who is on fire, or it can be placed over a small fire to smother the flames. To use the fire blanket, one only needs to unfold it and place it over the fire. One of the key advantages of the Bridgehill Fire Blanket is its simplicity and ease of use. It requires no special training or equipment to operate, making it an ideal choice for people who may not be familiar with fire safety protocols. Pro fire blankets can be reused up to 30 times. The Guardian Firefighter Sprayer is a tool that can be used to quickly and effectively extinguish fires in rural or remote locations. It is available in different configurations, including 50-gallon and 100-gallon capacities, and can be used with a hose reel or without. It can carry either water or fire-retardant chemicals, and it is powered by a 4-horsepower Honda engine. It is equipped with a hose and fire nozzle, as well as a clean drain valve. The Guardian Firefighter Sprayer can be mounted on combines and grain carts, and it can help to contain fires before firefighters arrive on the scene. It can be a very important tool for farmers, landscapists, and outdoor business owners who operate in remote areas that want to protect their crops and livelihoods from fires. Thanks for tuning into another episode of Future Tech Now. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks again, and we'll catch you in the next video.